Ever wondered where the best places in the world to pan for gold are? Today, we embark on a global journey exploring the art of gold panning, a pastime that has captivated many across the world. From the icy terrain of Alaska to the sun-kissed landscapes of Australia, we'll be counting down the top 10 gold panning hotspots that every enthusiast should have on their bucket list. So grab your gear and let the adventure begin. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 gold panning locations in the world. Starting our countdown at number 10, we head to Crow Creek, Alaska. Nestled in the breathtaking Alaskan wilderness, Crow Creek has a glittering history steeped in gold. Dating back to the late 19th century, this location has been a hotspot for gold panners, with its rich deposits attracting folks from all over the world. It's not just about the gold, though. One of the most captivating aspects of Crow Creek is its stunning natural beauty. Picture this: snow-capped mountains, vibrant wildflowers, and pristine, crystal-clear waters, all in one panoramic view. It's a gold panner's paradise, offering an unforgettable adventure that combines the thrill of the hunt with the serenity of nature. But remember, gold panning in Alaska isn't for the faint-hearted. It's a place where the weather can be as unpredictable as the gold you might find. So if you're up for a chilly adventure, Crow Creek, Alaska awaits. Moving on to number 9, we stay in Alaska, this time in Fairbanks. This northern city, known for its hardy residents and breathtaking auroras, is also a gold panner's paradise. Fairbanks is steeped in gold history, with its roots dating back to the late 19th century gold rush. Today it's a hotspot for recreational gold panners, offering ample opportunities to seek out that elusive nugget. What makes Fairbanks particularly appealing to gold enthusiasts is the abundance of gold panning tours available. These tours provide a unique blend of history, education, and hands-on experience. Whether you're a seasoned prospector or a novice looking to strike it rich, these tours cater to all levels of expertise. Guides steeped in gold lore and local history lead these tours, sharing their knowledge and tips on how to pan like a pro. Plus, the thrill of discovering your own gold is unmatched. For those seeking a guided gold panning experience, Fairbanks, Alaska is the place to be. At number 8, we find ourselves at the American River in California. An iconic location that was the epicenter of the California gold rush. In the mid-19th century, the American River is steeped in rich history. It's where James W. Marshall discovered gold at Sutter's Mill in 1848, sparking a rush of gold miners from around the world, all hoping to strike it rich. Today, the American River continues to hold a special appeal for gold panners, both beginners and seasoned veterans alike. Its waters, which once teemed with fortune seekers, still yield golden treasures for those with a keen eye and a bit of patience. Whether it's the thrill of the hunt or the allure of the shimmering gold, the American River offers a unique gold panning experience that connects you directly with a pivotal chapter in history. History and gold make a perfect mix at the American River, California. On to number 7, we travel north to the Klondike region, Yukon. This area is steeped in a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century during the Klondike Gold Rush. A time when prospectors, armed with nothing more than hope and a few tools, flocked to the region in search of fortune. This gold rush had a profound impact, not just on the Yukon, but on the entire world. It sparked a global migration, brought wealth to many, and left an indelible mark on history. Today, the Klondike region still holds an irresistible allure for modern gold panners. The chance to walk in the footsteps of those hopeful prospectors, to sieve through the same rivers and streams, is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The wilderness, the history, the chance of striking gold, it's all part of the Klondike appeal. If you're a history buff with a passion for gold panning, the Klondike region is your ideal destination. Number 6 takes us to Bathurst, New Brunswick. This gem of a location is a gold panner's paradise, teeming with opportunities for the intrepid explorer. Bathurst's shimmering streams are not only rich with gold, but they're also set against some of the most stunning landscapes you could ever hope to see. Imagine unearthing golden treasures while surrounded by breathtaking vistas. Truly, Bathurst is a testament to the beauty of nature's bounty. Bathurst, New Brunswick, where gold panning meets stunning landscapes. Down under at number 5, we have Ballarat, Australia, a place where the echoes of the Australian gold rush still reverberate. In the mid-19th century, Ballarat was a hotspot for hopeful prospectors looking to strike it rich, and it's a legacy that lives on today. Gold panning is still a popular pastime in this historic city, with enthusiasts often flocking to its rivers and streams. The golden legacy is so ingrained in Ballarat's culture, it's impossible not to feel a sense of history when dipping your pan into its waters. Modern panners can try their luck at Sovereign Hill, a recreation of a gold mining town where you can step back in time and experience the thrill of discovery for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just beginning your gold panning journey, Ballarat offers a unique blend of history and opportunity. Gold panning in the land of kangaroos? Ballarat, Australia is the answer. Coming in at number 4 is Dalega, Georgia. A place steeped in history, Dalega was the epicenter of the first major gold rush in the United States, long before the frenzy hit California. Today, the spirit of the gold rush lives on, with modern panners dipping their pans in the town's rivers, hoping to catch a glint of that elusive gold. It's this blend of history and modern-day adventure that makes Dalega so captivating. For an authentic American gold panning experience, Dalega, Georgia, is the spot. Entering the top 3, we travel to Atlin, British Columbia. Atlin, a sparkling gem in the wilds of Canada's far west. This quaint town, nestled in the heart of the province, is a beloved destination for gold panners worldwide. The lure of gold is powerful here, where the glint of a golden nugget in a sunlit stream can quicken the pulse of any adventurer. Atlin's rustic charm is enriched by its vibrant gold panning community. Each year, it hosts the Atlin Gold Panning Championship, an event that draws enthusiasts from across the globe. Competitors, from novices to seasoned veterans, gather here to challenge their skills, share their passion, and celebrate the rich history of gold panning. The waters around Atlin have whispered tales of golden fortunes for over a century. Will you be the one to write the next chapter in its glittering story? Who knows? You could be the next champion gold panner in Atlin, British Columbia. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is Rye Patch, Nevada. This place is famed for its gold nuggets, each a tangible piece of the Wild West's illustrious past. But Rye Patch isn't just a relic, it's a thriving hub of activity, drawing in modern gold panners with its promise of hidden treasures. Here, the old and the new intersect, as the timeless allure of gold continues to captivate us. Rye Patch, Nevada, where dreams of striking gold become a reality. And finally, the number 1 gold panning location in the world is Porcupine Creek, Alaska. Porcupine Creek is the stuff of legends, a veritable El Dorado, where the glint of gold can be spotted by the keen-eyed enthusiast. This is not a place for the faint-hearted, but for the bold and adventurous, those who are willing to brave the rugged Alaskan wilderness in pursuit of their golden dreams. In recent years, Porcupine Creek has gained fame and popularity courtesy of the television show Gold Rush. The series showcased the high gold findings at this location, turning it into a beacon for gold panners worldwide. It's not just about the gold though. It's about the experience, the thrill of the hunt, the joy of discovery, and the satisfaction of knowing you've panned at the top spot in the world. For the ultimate gold panning experience, nothing beats Porcupine Creek, Alaska. Now grab your gold pans and start exploring.